The Wall Street Journal says that factory workers have a new sense of job security. So let's ruin it. This week, Rolls-Royce offered an exciting new look at the future of engine maintenance. Well, it's exciting to everyone except maybe maintenance professionals. Rolls-Royce partnered with Harvard University and the University of Nottingham to discuss the role robotics will play in the future of engine maintenance. The company calls it IntelligentEngine. And the technologies could not only speed inspection and maintenance work, but could also reduce the cost as engines could stay on the aircraft. At the Farnborough Airshow, Rolls-Royce showed off 4 new technologies currently in various stages of development: inspect robots, remote boreblending robots, flare robots, and swarm robots. The inspect robots are a network of periscopes that are embedded in the engine to detect any anomalies. The remote boreblending robots could be an answer to the skills shortage, as it's a tool that local teams would install in an engine and then hand over remote access to specialist engineers. And we're talking about mission-critical parts like repairing damaged blades with lasers. The flare robots are a pair of snake robots that work like an endoscope to make patch repairs, and the swarm robots are a set of small 10mm robots that would be deployed in the center of an engine via a snake robot and perform visual inspections. Some technologies, like the swarm robots, are far from a reality, but the remote robot is already being tested. It will be interesting to see if and when these technologies spread to other industries. Like this one. Let's have some fun. The Airlander 10 has been called the world's biggest aircraft, but it's most likely famous for its nickname, the Flying Bum. It's an English company. You can only imagine what the nickname would be in America. A hybrid of a blimp, helicopter, and airplane, the 302-foot Airlander 10 is powered by 4 325-horsepower turbocharged diesel engines and can fly for days at a time. But we haven't heard much from the Flying Bum over the last 2 years. I mean, other than bad news, like in August 2016 when the blimp-shaped airship sustained damage after a rough landing, or when it broke free from its mooring mast in November 2017 and deflated as a safety precaution. Also, look at that man underneath that thing. You never want to be the man underneath the Flying Bum just sitting like this. Oh, were you that guy? Yeah, I was that guy. I mean, if that's the Flying Bum, where's that guy? You got it? Yeah, I got it. No, keep your hands up there. Yeah, I got it. No, get in there. Okay, I got it. Now hold. Are you taking a picture? Don't tag me! Don't tag me! I don't even need to be holding this, do I? Son of a... The aircraft was originally developed for the US military for use in surveillance. However, according to New Atlas, Hybrid Air Vehicles, the company behind the Flying Bum, is developing a luxury version of the airship aimed at the tourism market. The company revealed concept photos at the Farnborough International Airshow that were designed by UK-based Design Q. They include glass bottoms, luxury seating throughout a 150-foot passenger cabin, an altitude bar, and private bedrooms. Why? Why do you need private bedrooms? Oh. Watch those windows. Don't need more than one Flying Bum at a time. The luxury edition is designed to accommodate 19 passengers at a time. Hopefully, not all in the bedroom at the same time, but hey, whatever you're into. Let's have some fun. Engineers, scientists, tech leaders, and hosts of weekly engineering shows have signed a pledge against killer robots. The statement was signed by 2,400 individuals, including Elon Musk, Toby Walsh, and yours truly, who promised to, quote, neither participate in nor support the development, manufacture, trade, or use of lethal autonomous weapons. The pledge was organized by the Future of Life Institute and released at the 2018 International Joint Conference on Artificial Intelligence in Stockholm. Now, a recent report says that there are currently about 300,000 AI engineers. So, either the pledge didn't have good word of mouth, or like 99.992% of AI professionals are just hell-bent on the fall of man. I mean, I tweeted it. Where were you? The issue at hand is killer robots, also known, perhaps ironically, as lethal autonomous weapon systems, or LAWs. These are weapons that can identify, target and kill a person without a human in the loop. Come on! Killer robots of the future that might have the power to kill a person are called laws. Science fiction writers around the world salivate, but better toe the line so they don't cross the Judge Dredd IP. Oh, those were judges. And we'll call the killer robots laws. And the system that they all respond to is called, not Big Sister, Big Brother. How about Big Brother? The pledge is a call to governments and leaders to help create a future with laws against laws. Toby Walsh is a professor of artificial intelligence at Australia's University of New South Wales in Sydney. And he said, "We cannot hand over the decision as to who lives and who dies to machines." And we only got 2,400 signatures? Jeez. Well, I guess 160 AI-related companies signed it too, so maybe that drops it to like 98% of professionals that want us to die. I'm David Manti. This is Engineering by Design.